What is a manual swivel seat and powered swivel seat? When the lift reaches the end of the rail, it will stop automatically. The chair swivels around at the top for you to get off. The standard manual swivel seat has a release lever at the side of the chair to manually swivel it like you would an office chair, or upgrade to a power swivel which automatically swivels when you reach the top of the stairs. When the chair is swivelled, this acts as a barrier to the open stairs. To come downstairs, swivel the chair back and press the arm control in the down direction. What is a downward facing powered swivel? Downward facing seats are great for narrow staircases or where more knee clearance is needed. We program the stair lift to swivel into a downward facing position as you start your journey. When you reach the top of the stairs, the chair will travel to the end of the rail and turn you around so you can get on and off safely. What is a downward facing power swivel in travel? Unique to the Flow Stairlift model is a downward facing seat that can power swivel whilst in travel, which makes it unbeatable on tight stairs, so this lift fits where others can't. Its powered swivel mechanism is programmed to rotate the chair to negotiate very narrow staircases. When you reach the end of your journey, the chair will turn around so you can get on and off safely. What is a forward-facing power swivel? The ultimate model curved stairlift has an option of a forward-facing power swivel, which faces up the stairs as you are travelling to avoid the need to swivel at the top of a very narrow staircase. What is a two-way power swivel? Some stairlift models offer a two-way powered swivel, so the chair swivels at the top and swivels in the opposite direction at the bottom of the stairs. This is used where it is difficult to transfer on and off in a tight passageway at the bottom, enabling you to swivel into a more open area to get off more easily.